Good morning, students. Our next topic is online modes of payments. When we shop online anything, so there are many payment methods available by which we can pay for the thing that we have bought online. So let's see online modes of payments. Online payment method refers to the ways shoppers can pay for their purchases over the internet. Popular online payments method includes credit cards. Credit card is a small plastic card issued by the bank and by which we can purchase goods or service on our credit. Means we can purchase goods even our account does not have sufficient balance in case of credit cards, and we can pay later to the bank. So let's see credit card. A credit card is a small plastic card issued by a bank, building society, etc., allowing the holder to purchase goods or services on credit. Currently, the largest user base in e-commerce uses credit cards for payments. Next is debit card. Debit card is also a plastic card allowing the holder to transfer money electronically from their bank account when making a purchase. But with the case of debit card, we can pay for the purchased goods only when our account has sufficient balance. With the debit card, one can only pay for the purchased goods with the money that already exists in the current or saving accounts. But with the credit card, the user can buy on credit even if he does not have money in his account and pay later to the bank. Next, cash on delivery. In this method, we can pay payment when our order is delivered in the form of cash payment. So let's see. In this method, order is placed online. When the order is delivered to the customer, then the payment is made in cash. It is a popular payment method in India. Next is net banking. Net banking is also a service of a bank that provide you net banking ID and PIN by which you can do many things. Net banking does not require the user to have a card for the payment purpose. User can pay online via a secure payment site by putting in their net banking ID and PIN. E-money or mobile money. Electronic money or e-money is the electronic alternative to cash. It is monetary value that is stored electronically. E-money can be used either via cards, credit card or debit card, or via networks as e-wallets called mobile money. For example, in India, transactions via Paytm are mobile money or e-wallet. So there are many e-money services like Google Pay, Beam app. These all are e-money options.